Okay, folks. Like my shirt. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Okay. Now, you can see behind me and or in front of you that we have some chemistry-ish looking stuff on the board. These are called polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions. And there are a butt ton of them in chemistry, but here are 10 that are very common. And doggone it, you just need to know them. You need to know them. Copy them down. Do it. Do it now. Do it. Do it now. Get to the chopper. Okay, Arnold. Sweet. Now, you're going to need to know these. Now, if you're doing a test, and if what day, I don't know, a week or two from now when you have that first exam, and I'm asking you to name or formula right, you're going to need these. Oh, I'll just go back to the video and look them up. Yeah, you can do that, but it's going to take you time, and you're not going to have that amount of time. These are timed exams. So you need to make sure that you have this list right next to you, ready to use. Okay? Have it, do it. So there are 10 of them on here. There's one positive. It's called ammonium. So what we get when we get sick, we catch ammonium. No, it's ammonia. Okay, close. Then there's nitrite, nitrate, acetate, hydroxide, bicarbonate, like sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Common name is baking soda. Bicarbonate, sulfite, sulfate, carbonate, and phosphate. Those are the common ones. There are others. There's chromate. That's kind of relatively common, but not common enough that I didn't put it down. So you do have, and there are some others. I'm going to give you sheets with names you have to fill in, and some of these might not be on there. But these are going to cover 95% of the compound names and formula writings that you're going to have to do in this class. So copy them down. I'm just bantering now as you're copying. I hope you are, because you should be copying, because they're going away in about 10 seconds. Okay? And they're never coming back. And you're going to need them. Okay. All right. So here they are in a nutshell. I organized them for you. The -1, these are the -1 ions, -2 ions, the -3 ion, that's important, and the +1 ion, that is important. And they're going away as promised. So if you didn't get them all down in time, rewind. You can do it. Exercise the fingers, okay? We're not getting enough exercise these days. Okay, too much inside sitting in our butts watching stupid chemistry. Yeah, exercise. All right, they're gone. I'll refer to these over and over again, so have them. All right, just one quick other thing in this video. It's a short video for once. Finally, thank God. That we have to know some common acids and some common bases. And here are the common acids and bases I want you to know. There are a butt ton of acids and bases, depending on your definition of acid and base. But here are some common ones you need to know. Just need to know. Acids. HCl. You probably know this one. Hydrochloric. Common, very common chemistry, learning chemistry lab acid, very common. You can actually buy it as muriatic acid at a hardware store. It etches stone, hydrochloric. Hydrochloric. Okay, then there's HNO3. That's nitric acid. You can see the name actually comes from the nitrate. It comes from the polyatomic ion. There's polyatomic ion right there. NO3. Okay, H2SO4. Sulfuric comes from the polyatomic ion here, sulfate. Sulfuric acid. That's stuff in car batteries. Nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. When you did your video, when you did your quiz on chem safety, how do you add acids and bases? Always add acid to water. Here's one. You certainly would want to make sure you add the acid sulfuric to the water, not the other way around. If you add water to the sulfuric acid, the sulfuric acid can't hold the heat and it'll boil and it'll splash up. I've known people have had nasty accidents because of that. Okay, sulfuric. Okay, come. Oh, here's one that most of you, well, I don't know about most of you, I can't say that, but some of you at least probably don't mind eating this stuff, especially on your salad, okay, salad dressing. This is acetic acid. Okay, that's the acetate ion, and that's acetic acid. Okay, it's in vinegar. It's acetic. Vinegar is usually 5% acetic acid, 95% water. So acetic acid, very common. H3. Oh, I have two more. H2CO3. H2CO is carbonic acid. This comes out of the sky when it rains. Rain is naturally a little bit acidic because of carbon dioxide in the air, combines with water as it falls. It makes carbonic acid. And H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4 phosphoric. You can see there's another polyatomic ion here, phosphate, polyatomic here, carbonate, polyatomic ions are important. Phosphoric acid, some of you drink this. You do. When you drink your Coca-Cola or your Pepsi, it has the phosphoric acid in it. Check the ingredients. It says that right there, phosphoric acid. So you drink it. One of the reasons it burns when it goes down, along with the carbonation. But you can actually use phosphoric acid to remove rust from an automobile. If you go into an auto dealer, or not auto dealer, a parts store and get rust remover, look at the ingredient. It's concentrated phosphoric acid. See? It removes rust. It's great for your insides. Great. Cleans you right out. Some bases we should know. Some common bases we should know. Do I have room? Yeah, I have room. Bases. Only two. No, lies. Three. Basic. I'm writing bases. Bases. Three. You need to know three of them. NaOH, KOH, and NH3. Sodium, polyatomic ion hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, very important strong base. Potassium hydroxide, okay, very closely related to each other. And last one is ammonia. Again, what you get when you get sick. You get ammonia. All right. NH3, ammonia, very important base, very important industrial base, by the way. All right, those are the important acids and bases you just should know. Have them. If I'm doing an assessment, have them. I'm going to ask you about them, quick and easy. If you know what they are, write the answer down. All right, now we're going to get into some naming. It's going to be sweet.